Hello students, I am Dr. Anita Sharma. Welcome in my chemistry class. In my last video, I explained preparation properties and structure of diboranes, and in this video I am going to explain different kind of boranes and their structures. So let's begin. Chemical Bonding, Paper 302, Semester 5. In this lecture, we will discuss bonding and structure of different types of boranes. So we have already discussed in my previous lecture. First, boranes were prepared between 1912 to 1936 by Alfred Stock, and all the boranes are diamagnetic and colorless in nature. So before starting the structure of different kind of diboranes, first we have to see the different kind of bonds and how many electrons are taking part in the formation of bonds. So first is two centered two electron bonds, means two orbitals and two electrons are there, then they will form a bond, and this kind of bonds are very normal bonds. BH bond, purely covalent bond, one electrons are shared by both the atoms. Second types of bond, three center two electrons bond, means three orbitals and two electrons are there, so there are possibility of two types of bonds. So this is BHB bond. Here we can write like this also. This is also known as bridge bond because hydrogen is forming bridge between two borons, and also known as banana bond. In boranes, four types of bonds are present. So basically three center two electrons BHB, three center two electrons, one more type of bond, that is BBB. So here you can see this is the example of bridge bond or banana bond, and this is BBB bond, which is three orbitals two electrons or three centers two electrons, where we have three different orbitals and one orbital is empty. Third, two center two electrons, as we have already discussed. Here it is two center two electrons, two center two electrons BH. So BH bond and BB bond, they are purely covalent bond, are called normal bonds, and here they are three center two electrons bond, BHB and BBB bond, and these bonds are called electron deficient bonds. We have already discussed the structure of diborane, so here I am repeating in short. So this is the structure of diborane B2S6, where two center two electrons bonds BH bonds are present, and three center two electrons bond, that is BHB bond, which is also present. So four terminal hydrogens are showing BH bond here, 1 2 3 4, and two BHB bonds are there. These bonds are called three center two electrons bond, and this is the example of banana bond also. So now we will discuss different types of boranes. So boranes are of three types. So first is closoboranes, and closoboranes are closed triangulated polyhedra structure. All corners of triangulated polyhedra are occupied, and general formula for closoboranes is BnH2n plus 2, or we can write BnHn plus 1 minus 1 charge, and third BnHn minus 2 charge. So the example of closoboranes is B6H6 2 minus, which is based on this formula, and this is the structure of B6H6 2 minus, and in this structure, this is the octahedral structure. In this structure we can see here we have 1 2 3 and 4, 5 and 6 terminal BH bond, means 6 covalent bonds are present here. You can see all 6 points of octahedral, and B bond present here, 1, and B bond 2, B bond 3, and B bond 4. So this is basic structure of B6H6, which is also known as closoboranes. Now second is nidoboranes. So after closoboranes, second is nidoboranes, and nidoboranes are formed when one corner of the polyhedra is removed. Nest-like structure, non-closed structure, and the general formula of nidoboranes BnHn plus 4, or we can write BnHn plus 3 minus 1 charge, or BnHn plus 2 minus 2 charge. And examples of nidoboranes are B5H9 and B2H6. Now example of nidoboranes, here we have the structure. This is the structure of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, B5, and hydrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So B5H9 is the example of nidoboranes, and here you can see different kind of bonds in nidoboranes. So here first we will discuss with terminal hydrogen bond. So in this nidoborane B5H9, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 BH bonds. Now BHB bonds, 4 BHB bonds are present. So we have to see where 4 BHB bonds are there. 1 BHB bond, second BHB bond 2, and third BHB bond, and fourth BHB bond. So 4 BHB bonds are there. Then 2 BB bonds are there. So where are 2 BB bonds, that also we have to see. So here 1 BB bond and second BB bond. This we will not count as BB bond because it is the example of BBB bond, triple B bond. So 1 BB bond and 1 BB bond. And fourth BBB bond 1. So 1 BBB bond is also present, BBB bond. So total terminal BH bonds 5, BHB bonds 4, BB bond 2 and triple B bond 1 in this B5H9 structure. Now third type of boranes are archenoboranes, and these boranes are formed when two corners of polyhedra is removed. Non-closed polyhedra structure, and the formula of archenoborane BnHn plus 6 or BnHn plus 5 minus 1, or we can write BnHn plus 4 minus 2. An example of archenoborane is B4H10. So this is the structure where we have V4 and H10s. So how many number of terminal hydrogens are present? So number of terminal hydrogen, that is BH bonds 0, 6, means 6 BH bonds are there. 1, 2, now 3, 4, 5 and 6. Bridged bond BHB bonds, 4 BHB bonds are there, that also we have to see. BHB1, BHB2, BHB3 and BHB4. And BB bond, so 1 BB bond is present, this is. So this is the structure of B4H10. Here I will explain one more example of nidoboranes, that is B10H14. So in B10H14, this is the structure of B10H14. Here in this structure, BH bonds 10. So 10 terminal hydrogens are present with boron, simple covalent bond, and 4 BB bonds are there. 4 BHB bonds are there, and these both structures are same, and 4 BB bonds are there. So that also you can see here. In this lecture we have discussed different types of boranes and their structure, and I am hoping that you understood all kind of boranes here. These are the references. Thank you.